This cat destroyed the toy train and saved this hotel from being closed. Actually, this hotel in Japan was based on the world of trains, but no one was very interested in it, and the hotel was mostly empty. But one day, a cat came to the hotel and started playing with the model trains. The owner of the hotel found this scene very interesting, and he let the cat stay there. The next day, more cats started coming there and started playing with those small trains. The owner recorded their fun activities and uploaded it on social media. But those videos went viral, and people started coming to see these cute cats destroying this small world.